So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with the etching effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have an image right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and apply an etching effect to it. So to do that, I can simply go around onto effects, and then I can simply go to texture, and here you can see that etching is an option. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is the effect that you get. You can go ahead and change around the level of detail, as you can see right here, just like this for the etching, and then you can go ahead and change around the depth for it as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and work around with the light direction, and then you can also see the surface color right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the etching option inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.